So to find the frequency using a histogram, first and foremost, we have to do the class width times the frequency density, which we just gone through in the previous lesson. Once you have found that, it's the same process with any frequency, even general graphs. If you have any frequency data related graphs, you can use the same method, which I'll be making another video on. So you need a column where you find the midpoint. Midpoint talking about the midpoint of, let me just change my color. So let me black. So the midpoint between these two is 0.5. So we look over here, the midpoint between these two is 0.5, and the midpoint between 1 and 2 is 0.5, and that's going to be 2.5, 3.5, 5, and 7. So these are all the midpoints between these two different ranges of distances. Okay. Once you find the midpoint, you have to do the fourth column, which says midpoint times frequency. So you're going to multiply each midpoint with its frequency. So we're going to do 2 times 0.5, we get 1. 4 times 1.5 is 6. 3 times 2.5 is 7.5. 5 times 3.5 gives us 17.5, and all the way to here. So we found out the midpoint, we found out the midpoint times frequency, and now we have to add up all the totals for the frequency. So when we add up all the totals, we get 18. And when we add up all the totals for the midpoint frequencies, that will give us 54. And so to work out the estimated mean, we have to do the sum of midpoint frequencies divided by the sum of frequencies. So 54 divided by 18 gives us 3 kilometers. So